Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today. What is today? Wednesday, January 8th. We had no action yesterday. Today we had two trades. Lost a total of 3.4 pips. Not a whole lot going on. There was an ADP jobs number that came out, which was better than expected. Obviously, we avoided that number. But then things just seemed to pop, and it felt like we were chasing on both these trades. So, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. And then there just wasn't a whole lot of action. Tomorrow, the economic calendar picks up tomorrow and Friday. Be heavier days, so odds are we good chance that we could get some better trades, or at least some more trades if the numbers don't surprise hugely. If they surprise one way or the other, we could get some action, get some volume coming in, and therefore create some volatility. It's possible. But we'll go over trades in no particular order here. First one you're looking at here is a long in the euro to yen, 142.604. You can kind of see how it felt like we were chasing, and we were buying it at the top of this huge candle up. It wasn't like it was a tighter consolidation range. And there was this whole area here that was considered congestion, and so we were buying just above that, which kind of viewed it as positive. But if you look further back, you have some more resistance right up here, which is about 9 pips, 8 to 10 pips higher. Ultimately, that's where it went. Probably impatient with it. We just got out again, mostly because we felt like we were chasing it. And you're going to kind of see the same thing on the U.S. dollar to Swiss franc, which was this trade here was a short. We're short 0.90908. Again, we're shorting at the bottom of a relatively big candle. You got this area of congestion from yesterday late morning, around 10 o'clock in the morning. All day yesterday it acted as resistance. Tried to break through it around 3 o'clock this morning. I guess you could say it did, but it failed for at least an hour, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and it finally broke through, but then just came right back down to it. So, again, we just felt like we're shorting at the bottom of a big candle in a congested area, so we weren't going to mess around with it. We took a small loss, 7.4 pips, so not a big deal. Lose 3.5 pips on the day, 3.4 pips. Ultimately, as you see, maybe we were impatient again, and it did come in. But on both charts, if we weren't impatient and the things reversed on us, we'd be looking at losing on both trades, 12, 15, 20 pips. Then, so now you're taking a day that we lost 3.5 pips with the potential of maybe making, 15 total on the positive side if things worked out for us. Whereas if we tried to be patient and it didn't work out, we could have been looking at a loss of 30 to 40 pips very easily. So I don't think the risk to reward was there. So I'm kind of happy how we traded, even though we lost the 3.4 pips. You're not going to complain about that. There was a couple of long-term trades this morning that you'd probably still be in. Could have made a few pips on them, but that's probably you're not in there to make 2, 3, 4 pips. Unless that's just what it gives you after a certain period of time, or after some time. Where these, I'm talking, they were up 2, 3, 4 pips, in a matter of a few minutes, and then haven't really done much since then. So, and we had some long-term trades yesterday, I believe. Yeah, just looking real quick. We did have some yesterday that worked out pretty nicely. 1 loser, 2 winners, so that would have been good. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If we have some action tomorrow, obviously we'll do a video. And if you're trading now, good luck. And that's it. So we'll see you next time there's some action. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow with those economic numbers coming out.